Richard Satchwell is set to appeal his murder conviction on 6 key grounds, including material he maintains should never have been put to the trial jury. Mr. Satchwell served notice of his intention to appeal his conviction on the 4th of June. However, an active status listing for his appeal was only created last week on the 18th of August. No specific grounds for his appeal against conviction have been lodged as of yet. It is not expected to be heard by the Court of Appeal before late 2026 or even early 2027. Irish independent sources indicated that up to 6 grounds will be included in the appeal. This includes material that was put to the jury, including the truck driver's reply to Gardaí after being charged with murder and the failure to withdraw the murder charge from the jury given the overall evidence. Also included is a lack of direct evidence to support intent required for a murder charge, including the fact there was no cause of death established for his wife Tina. The legal defence team are also studying the final charge to the jury made by the trial judge, Mr. Justice Paul McDermott. Defence counsel Brendan Gretton had sought the discharge of the jury following Mr. Justice McDermott's charge and before they could begin deliberating on a verdict, claiming it did not attach sufficient weight to Mr. Satchwell's argument that he acted in self-defence. Mr. Satchwell was unanimously convicted of murder by the jury following almost 9.5 hours of deliberation. He was handed a life sentence last June after being convicted by a unanimous verdict of a Central Criminal Court jury of the murder of his wife following a high-profile trial in Dublin.